Hi, I'm Angela. I'm a product specialist at Mother's Choice Products, and today we're going to talk about the CleanEase Steam Sanitization bags from Ameda. These are a great addition for any pumping mom because it just makes taking care of your pump parts and cleaning them so easy. How it works is it's like a Ziploc bag. You simply open the zip, and push the bag so that it's sitting and can stand on the table. Then you add 60 ml of water and then add your pump parts. Make sure that your pump parts are clean of all visible milk and you've washed them before you put them in the bag, because there's a risk of cooking the milk on them if you don't wash off all the milk. So you would put in your bottle, your valve, your flange, and your diaphragm. There's no need to put in your tubing or your adapter cap because those don't need to be sanitized. If you happen to be using a flexi shield with your pump or an insert to reduce the size, you can place that in your steam bag. And if you're using any nipple shields, you can also place those in your steam bag. Then simply zip up the bag and get ready to put it in the microwave. When you do, you'll see this red section here. This is the steam vent. So this is the part where you have to be careful, because when the microwave heats the water to sanitize the parts, the steam will come out the side. So when you're ready to go, you simply place this in the microwave. The time that it will take in the microwave is really dependent on the wattage of your microwave. So the more powerful the microwave, the less time it will take. There are guidelines on the instructions, but generally between 2 and 5 minutes. When your microwave is done, simply pour the water into your sink, empty it out, and then carefully open your bag. That's all it is. And then take your parts out and just place them on a paper towel or a clean tea towel to dry. They come in a package of 7, so with 20 uses per bag, you'll get a lot of use out of them. It's available at many retailers all across Canada and online, so just look for it at these fine retailers near you.